Hi, in front of me I have Realme Watch and I'm gonna show you how to enable the power saving mode on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, press the side button, then swipe right on the screen to go to the shortcuts menu, and here we have this battery icon. Tap on it and you will enable the power saving mode. To disable the power saving mode, we need to press and hold the side button basically. Like this. And that's how you enable the power saving mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.